Justin says, I'm asking for some clarification. Blog posts should end with a bio that links to the homepage, but the words that link to the homepage should be different. Yes, yes. So for example, on my mental wellness counseling web page, it would say Joseph Sanak is the owner and a counselor at Mental Wellness Counseling, comma, a Traverse City counseling practice. And Traverse City Counseling, that would be what I link back to my homepage, because I want people to type in Traverse City Counseling. If they type in Mental Wellness Counseling, I'm going to rank #1. If they type in Joe Sanak, I'm going to probably rank #1, or Practice the Practice Well. But Traverse City Counseling, those are the people that are looking for a therapist that I want to rank #1 for. So I'm going to say Joseph Sanak is the owner and a counselor of Mental Wellness Counseling, comma, a Traverse City counseling practice, or a counseling practice in Traverse City, so counseling practice in Traverse City, or a therapy practice in Traverse City, or a therapy practice for family counseling. So I'm going to change it up for the different things that we want to rank for. And that way, if you write 26 blog posts and 5 of them say Traverse City counseling, 5 say Traverse City therapist, 5 say Traverse City family counseling, 5 of them say something else, you then have all these different terms that you're going to rank for, in addition to the terms that you naturally start to rank for too. Google loves you having content. They love having you have videos embedded in your content. So you can go to YouTube, type in anxiety, find a TED talk, a TEDx talk, find a talk from anywhere that you feel like is a good snapshot of anxiety or whatever you're speaking about, and you can embed that in as an extra resource, and they're going to rank you higher because of that, because Google owns YouTube, and so they love YouTube.